core of AI is not coding. Yeah. Core of AI is not coding. It's maths. It's a pure mathematics, like linear algebra, statistics, probability, calculus, a bit of calculus as well. So we should first of all like clear all our basics of mathematics because it will be going to help us in a long run. And after that, you can come to like you can land up to computer fundamentals, bit, what are bits, bytes, variables, if else looping, these all things.
So hey guys, in this podcast we are welcoming our new guest, that is Ayushi Berry. In this podcast, we are going to talk on the topic of AI. What is the uses of AI? How can we start it? And what are the AI tools which can much help us for coding and our software development skills. So can you please give your introduction to us?
So hi everyone, Ayushi the side, and I'm a second year BTech student. I'm currently pursuing BTech from Banasthi Vidyapeeth. And thank you, Gagan, for inviting me in this podcast. So, if I talk about AI, it's a really fascinating thing. When actually I heard about AI much, it was a boom at that time. Right now also it's a boom. But in my summer vacation, on the news channel, on LinkedIn, everywhere there was like AI, generative AI. So I was really curious, like what the thing is. So then I started learning about AI. So before landing up to the definition of AI, I will give you an example. Do you remember that memory game
Yeah.
in which you have to take two blocks, the same blocks, and then it's a match, right? So it's a kind of memory game. Take two boxes, you choose two boxes. If they are not same, then you know like where they are placed. Then you choose two other boxes. Then you know where which is where and you match them,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. Got it.
So AI is basically understanding the patterns, recognizing the patterns, and then predicting the outcomes. What will be the results?
तो थोड़ा बताएंगे कि एआई हम कैसे हेल्प करता है मीन्स हम मीन्स एज आई एम कोडर एंड मीन्स आई एम अ कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामर so how can AI help me to grow up and up in the field of codings and all.
Okay. See, if you have heard about ChatGPT and like GPT-4, right? Uh, if you're competitive, if I talk about myself, beginner level coder, and I don't know the code. Okay, there's a problem that I came across, and I don't know how to solve it. Then I will give it to GPT, and I can also give a prompt. Like it's all about prompt. I will give a prompt that just give me explain me this code like I'm a 5-year-old kid. या फिर explain me this code in layman terms like I'm a 5-year-old kid, 10-year-old kid, and it will really just it will break down the code and it will explain like that. That's the
Yeah.
magic of AI. Like I seriously, it's really amazing. All the debugging, all the I have learned I really learned a lot from this thing. Seriously, any topic that I'm not understanding, any code that I'm not understanding, it really helps me a lot. It's like a mini assistant, mini teacher, private teacher. So
So Ayush, can you provide some roadmap how we can learn AI and ML or some hint मीन्स उसके वजह से हम थोड़ा जल्दी और थोड़ा अच्छे से लर्न कर सके.
yeah, sure. See, core of AI is not coding. Yeah, core of AI is not coding. It's maths. It's a pure mathematics, like linear algebra, statistics, probability, calculus, a bit of calculus as well. So we should first of all like clear all our basics of mathematics because it will be going to help us in a long run. And after that, you can come to like you can land up to computer fundamentals, bit, what a bit, byte, variables, if else looping, these all things. Then Python, it's a really fundamental language. Python and you should be really specific in that stuff.
Hmm.
Only the beginner Python. Yeah, beginners level. Because अगर आप पाइथन पूरा करने बैठेंगे ना एडवांस तक तो आप 3 साल तक बैठे रह जाएंगे फिर।
Hmm.
तो फिर क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारी लाइब्रेरीज होती हैं तो जस्ट कीप इट टू द बिगनर लेवल। इफ मतलब लूपिंग सीखिए इफ एल्स सीखिए फिर फिर क्या आ रहा है फिर थोड़ी सी लाइब्रेरीज पीआईपी क्लासेस ऑब्जेक्ट्स ठीक है उसके बाद फिर हम डीएसए पे उतर सकते हैं डीएसए इन पाइथन।
Okay.
आफ्टर दैट यू कैन go to that like advanced level of Python, a bit of advanced. Yeah. After that, you should have a knowledge of APIs, and a bit of fundamental like DevOps, and also you should have a knowledge of at least one cloud platform, like be it
Okay.
AWS, be it
Ah.
Azure.
Yeah.
Then you can deep dive into deep learning.
Mm-hmm.
The also the that neural networks, LLMs, all this stuff. Then the thing is that you should invest more on what I think that you should invest more on like implementing and sharing the stuff rather
Hmm.
than consuming because internet is whole a big lot of it's a big hub of knowledge, right?
Yeah.
Uh, you can consume really much, but the thing is that if you make more and more projects on the thing, you learn more. If you have a friend that you can share with, you can do with, it really helps a lot.
Okay. Yeah. Means, and tell me the one thing that is what is the right time to learn AI? Means, as we are knowing कि means if हमको डेवलपमेंट सीखना है तो थोड़ा डीएसए करना पड़ता मीन्स ऐसे मैंने सुना है एंड आई ऑल्सो फॉलो दिस टेक्निक टू डू द डीएसए एंड डेवलपमेंट so tell me how we can learn AI and what is the right time.
देखिए राइट टाइम तो कुछ नहीं होता है
Hmm.
डीएसए मैं वही बता रही हूँ ना कि अगर आप पाइथन सीख लेते हैं जैसे कुछ लोगों को पाइथन भी नहीं आता है पाइथन
Hmm.
इज अ रियली बेसिक लैंग्वेज वो एकदम सिंपल इंग्लिश में आप कोडिंग कर सकते हो ऐसे बहुत आसान लैंग्वेज है वो पाइथन सीखिए फिर उसमें डीएसए सीखिए लाइक इट्स फुल रोड मैप भगा नहीं रहे हम कि हाँ ठीक है तुम डायरेक्ट डीप लर्निंग पे जाओ तुम डायरेक्ट एमएल कर लो
Hmm.
पाइथन करिए डीएसए उसमें सीखिए उसके बाद फिर एमएल एपीआईज लाइक इट्स अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस और बाकी हम लोग धीरे धीरे समझते हैं धीरे धीरे सीखते हैं आफ्टर दैट तभी सीखने के लिए मिलता है
Okay. Yeah. Can you suggest some resources from where we can learn AI?
या like there are many playlists if I will say about like deep learning there is a playlist of the campus things. There
Okay.
is a, big playlist and Swish Nike it's also a good channel for learning AI. If I would suggest that mathematics part Khan
Hmm.
Academy is good. Free coding boot camp, the channel is there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's good. And that AWS part and SBR part basically. Reskill organizes many cohorts as well, like for
Hmm.
girls especially. Yeah, so you can like girls can participate in it. It's really helpful.
Okay. And from your experience, tell me one thing that is what is the typical part in AI while learning AI?
I just cloud platforms. I
Okay.
really think so because I just do all the parts, everything like Python and then API part. But when I come to that cloud part, so it's a bit tough. It's a bit
Okay. Okay.
complicated.
Okay. Can you suggest some AI tools means and their users which can help us?
Mm-hmm. Um, if you have heard that ChatGPT 3.5 is free, but that GPT-4 is not free, right? You have to pay something for it. It's not GPT-4 what I'm going to tell, but the thing it's really similar to GPT-4. It's an extension of Chrome only,
Hmm.
Merlin. It will summarize your video. It will chat with you. It's really amazing tool. Like you should try it, Merlin. And um, if you have to convert the prompt of text to image, you can go with Midjourney as a tool. You can
Okay.
also go with Playground.ai, Playground.ai, and um, that Binge, Microsoft Binge is also there.
Yeah.
And that have you heard that Modi is singing the song
Yeah. Yeah.
Voicify.ai
Hmm.
is the one, and Musicify.ai is also there. It's really amazing too. It's like seriously mind blowing too. And Runway ML.ai is a tool that will convert text to text to video.
Hmm.
Yeah. There was one more tool that Signal Hire. Uh, in that tool, you can automatically take out the email address and information like mobile number from LinkedIn.
Okay. 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 That is very interesting, I think.
Signal.hire. Yeah, Signal.hire.
Okay.
And one more tool is there, Udly. Udly, if you have to practice your interview, it's a
Hmm.
mock interview kind of thing. If you have to practice your interview, it's an amazing tool. Udly, this is one of
Okay.
mock interviews.
अच्छा, वो तो बहुत अच्छा है फिर। मीन्स वैसे भी इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन के लिए एआई हेल्प करेगा।
हाँ,
Okay.
हाँ.
And have you tried that courses at Coursera?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have taken it was on Coursera, I guess. Yeah, it was on Coursera. It was an IBM course on AI.
ओके ओके। मीन्स मेरे
Yeah,
फ्रेंड्स
it
कर रहे
was
थे वो
really amazing.
कोर्सेरा के। मीन्स उन्होंने बताया कि वो भी अच्छा है कोर्सेरा। कोर्सेरा इज आल्सो मीन्स
I'll give
इंटरेस्टिंग
you
प्लेटफॉर्म।
a really free resource.
हम्म।
It's actually not fully free, but there are many resources that are free in that. Code Basics.
हम्म।
It's a channel.
हम्म।
Uh, it's really free. It provides really free content there.
हम्म।
बाकी उनका कोर्स भी है पूरा, अगर
हम्म।
आपको एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में चाहिए सब कुछ, तो यू
हम्म।
कैन गो विद इट। कोर्स बेसिक मुझे बहुत सही लगा था। इतनी ज्यादा
ओके
रिसोर्सेज।
ओके ओके। And some, can you give some hints for freshers?
Not for freshers. uh See, try everything.
Hmm.
Be it maybe it can be hard at that particular time, but if you're going to try that thing if you have the zeal to do everything, that then it's really helpful. You learn a lot from that. Like explore more and more. जितना explore कर सकते हो उतना explore करो, मैं यही कहूंगी।
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thanks, Ayushi, for coming here and sharing your wonderful journey of AI. And it will really help the students who are watching this podcast. And thank you. I will be sharing your LinkedIn profile at our description box. So thank you for coming here.
Thank you so much.